Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Fantom price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Fantom chart, which at the time of this recording has managed to break above a key area of resistance at around the $0.5 mark. We have also seen a successful retest of that key area of resistance and continued pushing even higher. We have also continued to hold above the 20-day MA, which is now acting as support. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where I still believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a bounce to the upside in the formation of these wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets here on the Fantom chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that from these low prices that we had been trading within, we started a massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot structures, where you can see that I have that as the first wave to the upside. Then we saw this corrective structure giving us the low for that second wave before we started this massive bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, giving us a peak at around the $0.3575 mark. And after seeing the high for that wave 3, we started a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 4, and then a wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.657 mark. And after seeing the high for that wave 5, we also completed an even larger Elliot wave contour to the upside, and that is after completing these 5-wave structure to the upside, having the wave 5 making its peak at around the $0.65 mark and also completing a larger Elliot wave contour to the upside. And after seeing the formation of a larger Elliot wave contour, whatever we expected next is a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave contour, and using the Fibonacci's connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618. And you can see we have been able to retrace into the area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5 and fully maximized that target area in the formation of that second wave. And after seeing the low for that second wave at around the $0.41 mark, we have started a bit of a bounce to the upside in what could be the start of the formation of that wave 3, in a move that has now given us a break above the 20-day MA and also a break above a key area of resistance that we were facing at around the $0.5 mark. And after seeing the breakout, which was over here, we also saw a retest of that key area of support, and after the retest was in, we have continued pushing even higher. And before I sketch out my minimum target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 using the trend-based Fibonacci, I want to show you a chart pattern that is in formation right here, which is a chart pattern that is giving us a breakout to the upper side. And I can first connect the bottoms that we have down here because the chart pattern is a double bottom, so those are the bottoms. Then I can draw out the chart pattern having that as the first bottom, then the second, we have seen the formation of the neckline, then the second bottom, and we have started the breakout to the upper side. And this is a chart pattern that breaks to the upper side, having the minimum target area of the breakout being given by the height between the neckline and the bottoms. And I can get that height and then place it above the neckline, giving me a minimum target area back to the area at around the $0.578 mark, which is a target area that we have fully maximized, meaning we have now seen the breakout out of this chart pattern, which is fully supporting higher prices in the formation of that wave 3, and also sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.2142 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Fantom to do in the formation of that wave 3. And for that to also happen, there are key moves that I'm expecting over here. We need to continue holding above the 20-day MA, also above this key area of support at around the $0.5 mark, so that we can have the support that we need for us to continue pushing even higher to get to the next key significant high that is at around the $0.657 mark, and that is the wave 1 high. And the moment we manage to break above the wave 1 high, then that will be enough confirmation that whatever we are seeing over here is that bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, where I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, because the formation of that wave 3 is impulsive, and we also expect to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. So what we need to continue watching over here is continue watching the 20-day MA, also the support zone at around the $0.5 mark, and also our next significant high at around the $0.657 mark, because a break above that significant high could trigger even higher prices in the formation of that wave 3 to help us also fully maximize our target areas. And before I give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, allow me to first take a look at the indicators, where here on the RSI you can see we are trading at around the 69 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in the formation of that wave 3 before we get into the overbought region. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. And jumping to the daily chart to give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, basing it on the Elliot wave structures. Here on the daily chart, you can see that from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a massive bounce to the upside, seeing the all-time high at around the $3.5 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure in a move that has given us a low at around the $0.16 mark in the formation of that second wave. And after seeing the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, whatever we expect next is a bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, where here on the daily chart I have a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $5.7395 mark, and that is at the fib level 1.618, where I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3. And the Elliot wave structures that we are seeing on the 4-hour chart could be fractal waves within the formation of these higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upside. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.